So I just got this little slingshot at no charge for the purpose of this review. These things are really fun. I'm no good at it, but it really is a lot of fun. So on this slingshot, you've got a really good grip handle here. You've got a laser sight that you can use, and you've also got a good strong brace here so that you can pull back to your chin or to your ear or wherever you pull it back to. Now this band is adjustable and changeable. They do give you an extra band that you can put on. They also give you 250 BBs for ammunition, and they also give you a BB bag. Now on this little slingshot, you can hold your ammo in, and you can drop a couple out at a time with just this little push slide button right here. Now I wouldn't want any more weight than the slingshot itself, so personally I would just carry them in the bag. And then you stick your hand up through here, you get a nice brace on there. Your sights, which are 10, 20, 30, and 40 yards, or you can use your laser beam and see how that does. We're sitting at about 10 yards right now. So let's see how we're doing. Okay, so whatever I'm hunting is safe. It's safe. There's a shot right there. There's a shot right there. These were all my previous shots. I'm gonna piddle fart a little bit longer out here, take a couple more shots, and see if we can't zero in just a little bit. So, ooh, that was really close. Here's two shots right here, and there's a third. So I'm drifting off just a little bit to the right. I need to make that correction, and we should be able to hit the bullseye. So if you're looking for a nice little slingshot, a little something to do, have a little fun with. As a kid, I always loved playing with slingshots. I was never good with them, but with this one, professional slingshot with the scope on it and the range pins, should do a whole lot better. So I would recommend this just for a good time.